Beneath our digital-clad exterior is a compassionate commitment to founders for developing businesses powered by artificial intelligence with heart. The intention is for greater global good and, as a result, to lift humanity by raising the human condition. Onpassive's online and offline presence. Its click-and-mortar assets have already achieved unicorn status many times over. Based on existing markets, businesses, products and tools, we have a forecasted valuation in the billions. A real company with real physical assets and several dozen digital products wrapped into a few dozen seamlessly integrated departments. Departments that can each stand alone as individual companies with billion-dollar valuations. Number 1, premium provider of solutions, fully automated through the use of artificial intelligence to empower businesses with the latest, smartest technologies. All possible by the forward thinkers at Onpassive that live to use leading-edge thought in its cutting-edge, technological counterparts. Moving our IT offices from Calcutta, then from Bangalore. We are now the sole occupant of a building in Hyderabad, also referred to as HITEC City. HITEC City, the Hyderabad Information Technology and Engineering Consultancy city, spreads across some 200 acres under the suburbs of the combined technology townships. Our office houses some of the highest caliber techs, developers, staff, and engineers the planet has ever produced. We will continually to develop the company and currently support a member base in more than 200 countries. Onpassive is an online presence suitable for billions across the globe as the mother of all business. Onpassive has worked to meticulously build this company from the ground up to introduce the latest technological advancements, especially in the field of AI. A high point of human technological achievement, one of the most advanced artificial intelligence and information technology companies on the planet. This company will continue to develop and release cutting-edge products for decades to come. Master's degree in information technology and e-commerce that's backed by 25+ years of real-world marketing experience. Deeply inspired to deliver next-gen business solutions. A world-class visionary cultivating new terrain for the digital new world. Immersed in the development of revolutionary AI systems destined to change the world by shifting the online paradigm forever. As long as you're in it, you're gonna win it. Ash Mafare. Our development goal is to nurture, innovate, develop, and launch AI-based technology products that can be adopted rapidly and affordably. We provide unmatched value through excellence, innovation, leadership, integrity, respect, diversity, and quality. Onpassive brings in the massive advantage of fresh perspectives for business and technology. From strategy to design, implementation, and management. We accelerate innovation and transform businesses. Our wide range of conventional and AI-based products and solutions are designed to reshape global enterprises digitally. Onpassive's product innovation and digital transformation strategies help reinvent business models to help our customers be more efficient. We enable a remarkable value of game-changing AI technology and services that are easy to use, adapt, and scale. You, our client, will be successful in every conceivable way in a fully connected world. We help build stronger customer relationships, drive sales, and identify new opportunities, while analyzing and using current trending marketing results. Onpassive is a one-of-a-kind, total internet solution, TIS, having a complete ecosystem of AI-driven applications and tools. It's a full-bodied and radically developed smart business solution (SBS) that makes us the one-stop shop for all your innovative and technological needs. With us you get a practical business with efficient tools productively set on autopilot, fueled with unlimited, perpetually flowing, targeted traffic with visitors to your business, and much more. Even now, in pre-launch, we're bigger than the tech giants the likes of Google and Facebook, etc. Onpassive will be synonymous with the internet, we will own it. In a nutshell, Onpassive is a disruptive company that sums up everything about your digital world in one place and insanely inexpensive. It's all here and done for you, which means you're not going to have to search for anything. It has a very simple, straightforward way for you to not only hit a break-even point, but also has a clean path to an unlimited, commissionable structure so you can earn. The Onpassive vision. Onpassive is the ultimate, complete and unique, digital marketing platform that ensures everyone succeeds, regardless of their backgrounds or ability, by offering the simplest environment with the highest standards and the most value while sustaining the benefits of a global stimulus plan. As you can see, our vision defines an expected outcome of the Onpassive journey. Namely, a complete platform that ensures success, provides the most value, and has benefits. What we don't see is the generosity or how the money will be there. Because Mr. Mafare wants you to have more than enough so you can share. Founders become a global net that will touch every culture on the globe at a grassroots level as a distribution touch point. So just know this is happening. Don't worry about specifics. Don't worry about dates or dollar amounts. We are on track and on time. Now is the time to dream, a time to imagine possibilities and set your intention. Everyone has a part that is significant. A Bill Must production.